Hi guys, today I want to show you how to create a notebook or ebook in Canva website. So today we are going to create exactly like this one. So this one in Amazon, okay? So in Amazon GDP, guys. So you see here, this is the trim of size of specification width and height. So we are here because if you are not creating the same. There's a bleeding with the bleed and without bleeding. So guys, I want to show you because it's a very important before you start to creating ebook or notebook. So you have to know these things. If you don't know these things, if you create a ebook, also it is not a deserve to you can't upload in Amazon KDP because you are have problem with the bleeding or you will face many problems because you are not going to use any thing because if there is an bleeding, this is the out bleeding and guys, so with the bleeding and then this the left side is without bleeding, guys. You see here this is without bleeding here because all the text inside, you see everything inside. And then here this one you see here without bleeding. So make sure guys, and you have to know how to use these things. And then also in the all the sizes here, you see guys, all the sizes outside here. So with the if you create a, yeah, this is without bleeding, and this is with the bleeding, guys. You see here, you make sure if you want to create a without bleeding to all the size here. If you want to create the with the bleeding, here, okay. So you see here 5.8, it's with a out bleeding, and then with bleeding here you see 5.125. So you see here it's a little bit different. So make sure, and the last guys go to on Canva website how to create a from a beginning, okay, to notebook. Let's go to Canva website. If you guys you don't have, so you are going to create it by free 30 days. It's for free. Or if you want to pro, so you are going also to downloads. So this cover, so I just created very simple. Just I created quick, guys. So it's a very simple. You are also going to everything just drop and uh, you take from here, I took from here, and also you can go to, there's a many same. So you are going to take and then to use it, it's for free. And if you want to create by your own, also I want to show you create by your own. And also I have a videos in my channel, you are going to watch that one. So let's go to create a notebook. So this is our cover. So let's go to create a notebook. Okay, so here guys, this is the size of we are going to create. So if you don't know how to, so last I want to show you, and you can also see. Okay, this is the size we are creating. So we got 7.625 9.5. So this is, and make sure also guys, we are not in a pixel, so we are in inch. So make sure here, and then you get just to create it, and then go into the same way I did. So let's go to back in our website and let's go to use it. Okay, so we are here in this file and same. So if guys, because we have here mergers, okay, merging. So this is a very important because if you are not doing merging, maybe your website or your text site will be a little bit problems in the future. You are facing little bit problems. So guys, make sure to be getting this merger inside. So we are everything we're creating inside here, but we want to get perfect notebook, okay. And so margin you will go to find here guys on the left side, then here you see the margin because it's already, you see guys here. So this is a very important, you are also going to do it like that. Let's go to create a notebook paper. So here guys, this is our paper. Now we are going to create. So guys, we are with the bleeding, right? We're using the bleeding, right? So if you are not bleeding, you are not don't you can't do it with outside from here. Everything be inside like this. Without, if you want everything be inside like this, because this is Amazon will understand. If you make any mistake, Amazon will not respect you because they will reject you. Make sure, guys. So we use usability, right? We want it to be all full across the website or the file like this. So now we are going to have to copy it and then to paste 25, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 16, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 25, okay? Like this. And then we are come to like this, was everything, go to position here, and then tidy up. Yes, so we are already tidy up. Then last come to here, remove this one wherever you want. Okay, so this one, move it to close all your website. Yes, you see guys, so now like this. So here you see we have an inside here. This is our margin. You see guys here, this is the we want to here this one. Amazon will cut outside from this one, so we don't want that one. So we want to put something and then Amazon can understand. So we wanted to use inside here because we don't want to identify, you see guys here, not outside from this margin you see here. So I don't want to use anything out inside here. If you want to make a little bit smaller, you can also make it. And then come to here, not outside. Everything be inside. Okay. Yes. So this one I think is okay. If you wanted to change this color, this one to my brown. No. We want to find something. Yes. This one look good, yeah? Yes. So guys, now we are going to copy this one, duplicate. Okay, guys, we're going to duplicate. 6 times or 7 times or 10 times, whatever you want. Okay, 7 times, and then you come here. Yes. So last go to copy. Okay. White. Ah, sorry guys, our file is on top. See? Yes. Okay, like this, and then to copy it. Yes, and then to paste. See? You see like this. Copy and then to just paste. If you want 200, 300, 100, 150, 120, doesn't matter how much you want, just to paste. Okay. So easy, guys. You are going to create an ebook and then to sell wherever you want. It's so easy to create. You don't need someone to create it for you. So easy, right? Yes. I think how more of 30. Let's go to see. Yes. See? Wow. 120. So let's go to make 30. Okay, let's delete one, leave to 30. Okay. So then now we are going to upload here, come here, like this one over here. Okay. Come to download. Make sure everything the PDF print. Okay. Here I'll come to keep moving notebook. Keep, sorry, keep moving notebook. Okay. Go to download. Everything PDF print. We have a one searching download. Yes. Already guys downloaded. We are going to download this alone also. Yes. This one to download. What we want to PDF print, but make sure we don't want it all because we already downloaded. We want it only this one, right? One. So we want it only this one page. Yes. Done. The same. Here we want it to go over. We want to display the color. Again, sorry guys, going to download. What download? Okay. Print. We do all. Going over this one. Done. Down. Also, you want to download without PDF because I want to use something else. But we don't need this one all. I want to just download it. Yeah, because I want to use something else. Yes, guys. Everything is done. So now you are going to set up in Amazon KDP or Amazon KDP. So in my next tutorial, I want to show you everything. You are going to publish your ebook on Amazon, then you are going to make a lot of money. You just make making things like this. It's so simple. Everything when you wanted to do things like this way, you are going to make the best ebook. So bye for now and see you in the next video. if you guys don't forget, if you like it, so and sharing, so wherever, so everybody can learn this many things. So it's free and still buy from